guys, it's Riley from Science Girl, and today we're going to be making Frankenworms. So what you need for this experiment are gummy worms. I picked these up for about maybe $1 to $2 at our local store. You're also going to need baking soda, a cup of vinegar, well, a jar, a cup of water, a fork and a spoon, and obviously you're going to need to get gummy worms. So I cut these up already. I got an adult help for the first few because I was a little bit, I was having a few issues with it. Definitely if you're on the younger side, get help with this. So what you need to do is you need to cut them in half and then cut that half into half. So what I did is I cut it right down the center and then I cut it straight across, which gave me all of these little guys. So now it says to mix 2 spoonfuls of baking soda into our glass of water. Okay, 1. And 2. Now we need to stir it around. It didn't say warm or cold, so I went with regular cold tap water. We'll see how that works. Okay. Now this will take a little bit of time, so definitely just do whatever for the next 15 minutes because we have to put all of these little guys in there, and I will set a timer for 15 minutes. Let's pick up all of these little guys. Okay, and let's set them in. Okay, and as you see, they're all right at the bottom, and I'm going to set a timer on my phone for the next 15 minutes. So I'll be right back when we're done. Okay, so we've been waiting for 15 minutes. My alarm just went off. So now, according to the website, what we want to do is we want to put these into the jar without touching them with our hands. We want to use this. So we're going to poke it, bring it over, and dump it in. Now, let's do this with the rest. Come on. Come on, little buddy. Come on. There we go. Okay, over and out. And I'll just start with those for now. Let me see what the website says. According to the website, they should be like moving or something. Maybe it'll take a few minutes. It doesn't really seem to be working right now, but I'll keep adding them in. Oh, what's that? Okay, I'm gonna continue putting more in. See if we get better results. Come on. Come on. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, there we go. Now, according to what I was reading, they're supposed to be moving something, or all that it says is watch them come to life, so we'll see what happens. They're bubbling quite well at the top, but nothing much other than that. No movement, no nothing. It's quite weird. Okay, so just as a little bit of a hypothesis, I'm going to use the spoon and stir a little bit more together and then pour it in. Okay, there we go. A little bit at a time. not much happening right now. Although the bubbling that you do see at the top is a chemical reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar. It's sort of like what happens when you have a baking soda volcano. Just worms don't want to work with it for some reason. Now the issue that I did find with the website that I was using is that it didn't give a clear amount. All they said was 2 spoonfuls of baking soda, a cup of water, a jar of vinegar, when really they could have been using different sized jars, spoons, and anything really. So there's different variables that all could have contributed to this not working, but still quite a good experiment to see how the water mixed in with the baking soda affects the vinegar. I mean, it's quite amazing when you watch it. Now, here we go. Okay. Yes, as you can see, you're getting like that fizz. I think that's what they expected from the worms, was for the little bubbles to move them around a bit. Oh wait, what is that? The bubbles are moving the worms very slightly, but nothing crazy like you would figure. Okay, and one more. Okay, we're gonna have to pick up this mess. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this experiment. Sorry that it didn't work quite as we all probably planned, but it's still really cool to see how baking soda and vinegar react to each other when they are diluted a bit by other chemicals. It's quite amazing, really. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, my name is Riley from Science Girl. Leave your name in the description for a shout out during my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Have a great day. But for now, this is Science Girl.